How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application on your device. Sign into your account. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. These are all your friends on Snapchat, where you can tap and hold on the particular Snapchatter and a menu box appears. Select Manage Friendship option and here are the three options, that is block, report or remove friends. So in order to unfriend, you can select remove friend option. So if you are confirmed that you want to remove there or this user as a friend on your Snapchat, you can select the remove button and they will be automatically unfriend from Snapchat. So that is how we unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.